Hello, I am Park Patil. Now we are going to construct and simulate one of the major component of any power supply, that is rectifier. Power supply is actually consists of four phases. First is transformer, where we step up or step down the voltage. Then rectifier, where we can remove the negative cycle from and form a positive waveform. Then filter or smoother, and then voltage regulator. For constructing the and constructing and simulating the rectifier, we are going to use Tinkercad software, which is also Tinkercad as its online tool available for simulation and designing purpose. We are going to try two combinations. First is half wave rectifier, which uses a single diode, and then as its name suggests, it just rectifies half waveform, and there is no output for the another negative part, that is the half of the cycle. And another is a full wave rectifier. It is a bridge combination of. Now first we will construct this half wave rectifier, and we are go to the circuits on Tinkercad. Then now we will take our import required components. First is the function generator. Function generator. Then resistance, that is load. Then oscilloscope. Now we are going to take two oscilloscope to check the input as well as the output. Then diode and load resistance we are taken here. So we will make connections, and another terminal of resistance will be connected to the negative of the waveform generator, or we can say it's function generator. So these are the connections. This is the actual circuit for rectification, but we want to check the input and output waveforms. So we will connect this oscilloscope to positive and negative terminals. Then this positive will be connected here across the load resistance. And this terminal will be connected to here as well, this is negative. The frequency will be 50 Hz. Amplitude is 5, and change this offset to 0. We will be function, our function is a sine wave, and also make here 10. And now start simulation. Here you can see this is the full wave with positive cycle and the negative cycle, but here only positive cycle is present, and there is zero output during the negative cycle, as in when positive supply is connected here in positive cycle. It is a forward bias loop, so current will pass through it, and you can see this is the output. But during this negative cycle, it is reverse bias, and as we know, diode acts as an open circuit in reverse bias, so there will be no current flow and there is no output here. Also, we can connect one capacitor to smoothen the output, or to reduce the ripples between these. Ripples are reduced due to this capacitor. As you can see, though only half wave is present while simulation, we can't use it as a in power supply, as we want consistent output in power supply. So we will confirm another rectification circuit, that is a full wave bridge rectification circuit, which gives the consistent output. So first we take a function generator, one load resistance, one capacitor, and again two oscilloscopes. Here is one, and here. So the circuit for the full bridge rectifier will be like this. The diodes are connected like this. Capacitance. We connect to the resistor. So here in this terminal and this terminal we have connected to uh, of the terminal after first diode and third fourth diode we have connected the power supply. So here we connect the power supply. This is our function generator here. Now we change it to the same 50 Hz, 5 volt amplitude, 0 DC offset and sine wave to 10 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds. Now we observe the output. So here you can see this is the positive cycle, this is the negative cycle, but all the cycles are positive here, only positive. This happens because when during this positive cycle, this resistor, this diode and this diode, these are forward bias. So it allows the current to flow. So current will flow like this, goes through this resistance that is load and returns to this diode, and which is also forward bias. So it will also allow the current and it then return to the function generator. So the circuit will be completed, and here you can see a waveform, a positive waveform. Uh, on in the negative bias equation, sorry, in negative input, this will be reverse bias, and this is also reverse bias. These two, so they will be act as an open circuit. So current will flow from these two. In this, you can see it is reverse bias. In negative input is given to this. So it will flow from here, goes in this, and then returns to this, and then it comes again to the function generator. In this way, full wave bridge rectifier rectifies the input AC signal to the output signal with no negative ripple, no negative waveform. So only this for the simulation of the diode used as a rectifier in power supplies, a half wave rectifier and a full wave rectifier. Thank you.